What if it catches on fire? Wait, no, the wood's too wet.
Yay!
And yet, that wasn't loud. He's probably frightened right now.
Next.
No, she's starting to look around. She starts to look around like,
She
yeah,
probably
she's.
curious what that noise was, huh?
Yeah. It's okay, Boo. Wait, did he just get done with the monkey one?
He's gonna do that one now.
Oh.
So this is the monkey.
Oh God. What if monkeys come out after us? The toy monkeys.
Mom,
What?
Where they
my
go?
finger got a little burnt.
You?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's kind of hard to light it without getting yourself burned.
Alright.
Look at those pretty lights. They look like Christmas.
Okay, well, do you want to match?
Look at those lights. They look like Christmas.
I know, don't they? I like how they have an outline.
Huh. Come on, Nathan. You can do it. This sucks. We're only here for one night. We gotta come up here more in the summer.
Yeah.
Run!
I'm good.
Run!
I'm good.
Whoa, I wasn't even getting it. Pretty colors.
Yeah.
Poor Boo. We all go check out Boo.
Boo! Boo! She's going crazy. I was more than expected.
Okay, we're still in the mansion. Where's Blake?
Later.